Well, hello my lovies and welcome back to my channel. Whoa, I'm just like rocking the whole camera right there. That wasn't a great intro, but hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Pennies haul. I went to Pennies, I picked up some stuff. I thought you guys might want to see it. Sure, why not? The first thing I actually do want to show you, because it's half eaten in here, is actually a bag of jellies. I picked up a bag of jellies. I always do that when I'm like on my travels or going shopping and stuff. I like to pick up. My battery just died when I was mid-sentence there. How rude. Anyway, yeah, I always pick up jellies when I'm like walking around. These are like 90 cents or something. So let's move on. I'm gonna start off with some pajamas. As you guys know, the sales are currently on in Pennies and they're kind of like getting rid of all like their cozy pajamas, but I still wear cozy pajamas throughout the entire year. Like, it doesn't matter what time of the year it is, I'm still wearing like cozy warm pajamas. So I picked up these ones, these thumper ones from Bambi. I love them, and they're like really like soft, thick material, the pajama bottoms themselves. And the top is a long sleeved top with thumper on the front, and it says, "Let's stay in bed all day." So cute, isn't that like just totes adorbs? I really like these pajama bottoms because they're like stretchy waists, obviously, but you know, there's a bit of give in them. They also have pockets in them, which is quite fun. And I do like kind of a wide bottom every now and again. I hate sleeping in those type of pajamas because I do find that those ones end up going the whole way up my leg, but I don't sleep in pajama bottoms anyway. Take them off before I get into bed, so it doesn't make any difference. Long sleeve, happy out. I am happy. So they were €13, but I believe they were reduced down to like a fiver or something like that. So I was very, very happy with that. And they're going to be my pajamas that I wear tonight because I just put my other ones in the wash. So I'm super excited to wear them. Ha! So obviously, new year, new me. New year means like exercise, and all the exercise gear is out in Pennies. They usually kind of go cray with like the collections. There is so much workout gear at the moment. If you're not even feeling working out, if you just don't want to do anything to do with working out and you just go into Pennies and you see the clothes, it'll just instantly make you want to exercise. I kid you not. So I picked up a good amount of products from the range. Hang on now till I get it correct. It is from the Alice something or other. Oh my god, why is the name escaping me? Oh, here it is. Alice Living, I want to say. And Primark. She's collaborated. I believe she is a Instagrammer or something. Oh my god, I'm like such a loser. I'm sorry. I have no idea who anybody is because I look at like recipes online now and like household things. I'm just like so out of it. And she has this collection out with Pennies, or Primark as it's known everywhere else in the world. And this is the pajama bottoms. Oh my god, girl. Can you speak? These are the workout leggings that they got or have in the collection. So they're grey on the top and they go into like an ombre pink. And they are €11. So that was the workout bottoms. Now, they didn't have my size. I did have these, but I left them in my home house, so I bought another pair for here. And they have like a large waistband, but what I do is I turn the waistband down because these are a size too large. And just when you turn the waistband down, it just makes them tighter. They're perfect in the leg. Absolutely perfect. They're a little bit long, but I mean, I'm 5'4" and everything's long on me. I'm 5'3.5" actually, because I got myself measured when I was over in Amsterdam at the Body Worlds, and I was like, no, I'm 5'5", I'm 5'5", and then I got measured and she was like, you're 5'3.5". I was like, what? So 5'4", I'm going with 5'4". Anyway, it has a nice waistband on it and ombre legs, which is beautiful. There is a few bits from the Alice Living collection. So the next thing I got was the matching top, so the ombre top. I also have the long sleeve top, which is over in my home house, like I said, so that can be workout gear for there. This is a t-shirt and it's great for like running, I guess, especially with me. Like, I just, you know, I don't really care what I wear when I go running because who the hell's going to see you? But you just want to be comfortable. So I do like wearing t-shirts while I run because I do find that like the tank tops at the bottom, they kind of like, I don't know what it is with tank tops and me. Sometimes they like bunch up and they kind of like roll up on me. I don't find that as much with the t-shirts. Anyway, I got this in my actual size. So this is a 6 to 8. And again, this is €8 and it has the ombre effect on it. Now, the next few products from this Alice Living collection, I actually took the tags off them, but I do remember the prices. So the first one is this like cropped lime green top. That's all I can kind of describe it as. It is one of my favorite. Oh my god, there's like toothpaste on it. I have worn this top obviously since there's toothpaste on the front of it, so that is why there's no tag, but it was €10, and I also have it in a pullover big jumper, which I'm going to get right now because I'm going to put this in the wash basket. So this is the long jumper. This is the longer version of that crop one, and I got this in a 2XS 4 to 6. It's quite oversized, I will say that, even though it is like a pullover jumper. The thing that I love about this is the inside of it is like so soft, like the softest inside of a jumper I've ever felt, ever. So this was €12. The cropped one was obviously a tenner, and they're all from the Alice Living collection. I'm clearly a big fan. I like the neon, like, well, it's not neon, it's like lime green. I just love that color. I see the neon trend coming back. I see it. I am not going to be going anywhere near neon oranges, that neon yellow that kind of looks like, you know, high vis, no, or the traffic cone orange. No, I'll probably stay away from them. I do like a neon pink from now and then, and I do like that lime green. It's really bright. So all those colors are in pennies now at the moment, and some of them, I'm not gonna lie, are a little bit kind of out there. This is not my cup of tea, really, to be honest. So that is from the Alice Living collection. And then I have these workout pants that are from just, I think they're regular collection. They could be from Alice Living as well. I'm not 100% sure. But they're kind of like an army pattern on them, or like a camo pattern rather. And these are super comfortable. They're also squat proof. However, I will say that I did get my size in these. Like they're, yeah, I got 6 to 8. The waistband on these is really, 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 really baggy. So again, I do the same thing as I do with the other ones. I turn down the waistband. Am I the only person who likes to wear workout gear around the house as well? Even if I'm not working out, I just find it really cozy and comfy. I've one more product from the Alice Living collection, but I don't think it's like technically considered workout. It is actually like a jumper, but I really like this. I really feel like Pennies need to collaborate with Alice again, because she just brought out the most amazing product. I just feel like the collection was really good. I feel like the products are amazing. They also had a collection with Stacey Solomon, I think, during the summer. I didn't like that collection that much at all, whereas Alice's collection is right on point. So I got this mauve shade jumper, and it has a like a collar on it, I guess, and it zips right down there to your midsection, I guess, or to like just below your boobs. I tried this on yesterday and I was living for Alice Living. I was living for this. I just thought the color is gorgeous as well. This was €15, so a little bit more on the pricier side, and again, it's quite oversized. So I got the 2XS, which is a 4 to 6. And it's like still baggy on me, but I think that's kind of the look that they're going for. Thought I was finished with the workout gear, but I'm clearly not. I think this is all kind of workout gear. Sorry about that, guys. It's just the way the new year comes in and you just want to like get out running and walking and doing all the working out. And I bought like Charlotte Crosby's workout DVD as well. It was on like Amazon for like €1 or something, and I was like, I'll just get this. So I got that, and I'm kind of constantly saying I'm going to do that workout, so I will get to do it. I'm more of a runner than like doing the workout classes. I just don't always like them. Anyway, this is a sports bra. So I really wanted a new sports bra, but I wanted the thick band for when you're running, so that the girls are well supported and that they're not bouncing up into your face. Not that I have that much that would bounce up into my face, but you know, sometimes it's uncomfortable, especially I find if it's that time of the month. If I'm out running, my boobs are sore, like they're just sore, and I just need more support. So this actually has like padding in it, and it's a good support, and it has like the thicker band on it. Usually if I'm doing like yoga or a workout class where I'm not going to be like vigorously jumping around, I'll use the thinner straps, but for a little bit more support, these are great. And they're only a £5, I think, from Pennies. Yeah, €5. I got this in, like I said, a 6 to 8, and it's just perfect for running. It also has like a little clasp on the back. I've had a few of these in the past, and I really, really enjoy them, and they're quite good quality. But when they come in, you got to get them, them type of sports bras and Pennies, because they just sell out. The only thing I don't like about it is the cup. you can remove it, but it flips around sometimes. So yeah, the boring things I want to show you are dishcloths. How exciting! These are the microfiber cloths. Guys, these are actually really, oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually saying that. These are really good, like washcloths, microfiber cloths, whatever. And they're only like €2. Yeah, I always get these from Pennies, or the Aldi ones are really good as well. I can't believe I'm actually discussing dishcloths with you guys, but they are just really good. Somebody's alarm is going off. They're really good at wiping down surfaces, countertops, whatever. And obviously, in this day and age, we need to be a little bit more conscious about the amount of wipes that we're using. So dishcloths are the way forward. And then I needed face cloths because John is weird about the loofahs in the bathroom, in the shower. He's like, I don't get them. They're plasticky. I don't like the feel of them. I was like, fine, I'll get face cloths then for the bathroom. So I got 3 face cloths, and they were originally 3, and I got them for €1.80. For 3 face cloths. Happy days. Then I picked up some cotton pads. Can't go wrong with these. They're €2. €2? I feel like these only used to be $1.50. What's happened to inflation in this country? Wow. Anyway, €2 for cotton rounds. These are a massive bag, to be fair, so maybe it was the smaller ones that were $1.50. The second last thing that I picked up was a hoodie. I actually got this hoodie. When did I get this? These are from 2 different hauls, so I'm not really sure what day I got this, but these are from 2 different days. And it's just an €8 khaki green hoodie. I love the hoodies from Pennies for working out. I know this is weird. I don't like wearing like my Hollister hoodies out running because I feel like they're too thick and I'm sweating too much in them. So the ones from Pennies have like a thinner kind of material in them. They're still warm, but they're not like where I'm sweating. I can actually wear it on a colder evening out running, you know, and leave it on, whereas I can't with a Hollister hoodie. And it's just stupid because then, like, why are you bothering to wear a hoodie when you have to wrap it around you, then you're cold, and then, you know, the hoodie's just, you know, these are first world problems, clearly, but I prefer the Pennies hoodies for running. So I got this one in a khaki green, like I said, and this was €8, if I didn't mention that. It's a t-shirt, and it's in a mauve shade, and it looks so nice, and it said, love me, what? Love me, loves me not. And this was €8, and it's like a really big oversized t-shirt, even though it's like an XS, but it's so long. And I just thought maybe you could wear like a belt with it, or in the summertime maybe like a bum bag, or what they call it, fanny pack, or you could wear like, you know, bicycle shorts or something with it. I don't know what the thinking behind getting this t-shirt was, but I just really liked the colour of it more so than anything else. And the final thing in this haul is actually not from Ireland. This is actually is kind of from 3 different hauls, because this one thing I bought in Amsterdam because I was freezing one day and I was just kind of sick of the jacket that I had with me because it was clearly not keeping me warm. So I bought a teddy bear instead. I got one of these big teddy bear jackets. I have a black one and I have like a pinky shade, but I wanted this like actual brown color. Well, it's like a nude shade. I've wanted this one since the beginning. What's in the pockets? All my travel tickets from Amsterdam. I want to go back to Amsterdam now. Anyway, this was €25, and obviously I've worn this, but guys, this jacket is just to die for. I hope they come over to Ireland because you guys need them. Like, you actually do, you need it. And I'd say they will come to Ireland because, like, doesn't everything? For €25, that's such a bargain. Like, look at that, it's so nice and cozy. I bought like one of the smaller sizes. I think it's like a 2XS or an XS, and it's still massive, which is great because you can just like wrap it like right up around you and you just feel really warm and cozy and toasty. Anyway, it saved my life when I was in Amsterdam because my other jacket was just not working out well at all. Amsterdam is really cold. I didn't think it was going to be as cold as it was because I'm like, I live in Ireland, like nothing can be possibly as cold as Ireland other than New York. New York's freezing. But then I went to Amsterdam and I was like, oh geez Louise, I think like my whole face is like numb. It was super cold, really cold. I loved it though. Every second of Amsterdam, I loved it. I'd highly recommend for anyone to go. But anyway, I got this jacket there for €25 and I love it. And that is basically the end of the haul. So I am very happy with my purchases. I need to go and actually work out today. It has been a hot minute. No, when was the last day I worked out? Like 2 days ago. So I have all this workout gear. Now I need to actually go and work out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Me and my teddy are getting all ready for bed. no, I'm not really, because I'm actually getting ready for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you all in my next one. If you did enjoy today's video, please thumbs it up, and I'll talk to you. How many times can I say that? I will see you all very soon. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.